Hello students, welcome back to Let Us Master English. Today we will study how to convert exclamatory sentences from direct to indirect speech. In this video, we will learn the rules for converting exclamatory sentences from direct to indirect speech. As always, there is going to be a homework right at the end of the video for you to solve. And you can also find the answers to the practice exercise of lecture 5, that is optative sentences. Students, if you like my video, please tap the like button and give your comments. If you are a new viewer, kindly subscribe my channel. Now let's get started. Now students, in this slide we are going to learn the rules how to convert exclamatory sentences from direct to indirect speech. I'm going to explain this to you with the help of this example. He said, comma, inverted comma, start, hurrah, exclamation mark, my brother stands first, full stop, inverted commas closed. Now, what is the indirect speech? He exclaimed with joy that his brother stood first. Full stop. Now, students, let us see the changes which we have made. Number 1, the reporting verb said to or said changes into exclaimed as follows. We write exclaimed with joy if in reported speech you find these words hurrah, ha, aha. We write exclaimed with sorrow if in reported speech ah, alas is written. Exclaimed with surprise for oh, wow, what, how. And we write exclaimed with regret if in reported speech you see sorry, exclamation mark. We write exclaimed with contempt if in your reported speech there is foo, fisha. And we write applauded saying that if your reported speech contains bravo, here, etc. So this is about change in reporting verb. Next, inverted commas and the comma separating the reporting verb and the reported speech is removed and conjunction that is used. Number 3, replace what or how with the words great, big or very. And all general rules for the change in tenses, pronouns, etc. remain the same, which we have already studied in my lecture 2 of reported speech. If you want to revise it, you can once again watch lecture 2 of reported speech. And then exclamations are changed into statements. That is, the sign of exclamation is replaced with a full stop. And one more thing you must remember, complete the sentence in indirect speech if it is incomplete in direct speech. See here, he exclaimed with joy because in reported speech, hurrah word is there. After that, we have removed commas and inverted commas. In its place, we have inserted conjunction that. Now, my brother becomes his brother. Stands, that is first form of verb with S, that is simple present tense. It is changed into simple past tense in indirect speech. So, this stands become stood. First, then full stop. So we have put full stop at the end of the sentence. So these are the rules which you have to follow for converting direct speech into indirect speech. Now students, in this slide, we are going to see some more examples so that you get a better concept clarity. Number 1, they said, comma, inverted comma, start, hurrah, exclamation mark, we won the match, full stop, inverted commas closed. Now, please keep on observing the changes which are made. And students, reported speech is very, very simple. If you keep on noticing the changes, you will be able to solve it and score full marks in your exam. Now, here hurrah is there. It means our reporting verb will change into exclaimed with joy. They exclaimed with joy, then remove comma and inverted commas and put that. And of course, this hurrah word is also to be omitted. Next is we. We means first person. It changes according to the subject of reporting verb. Here it is they. So we is converted into they. And one more thing, in we, this W is capital, but in they, we have to make T small. Won means second form of verb. It means simple past tense. And you know, simple past tense changes into past perfect tense. That is, second form of verb changes into had plus third form of verb. So we have changed this won into had won the match, and in the end put full stop. That's all. Now let's see one more example. They cried, comma, inverted comma, start, alas, exclamation mark, he is dead, full stop, inverted commas closed. Now alas means it is an expression of sorrow. So they exclaimed with sorrow, and this word is to be removed because the sense is conveyed through exclaimed with sorrow. Now he is third person, and in change of pronouns I have told you that in reported speech if third person is there then we need not change it. He remains he, but this H should be small. Now is changes into was, after that copy dead. That's all. They exclaimed with sorrow that he was dead. Next example. She said, comma, inverted comma, star, wow, exclamation mark, what a beautiful flower it is, full stop, inverted commas closed. Now wow shows surprise. She exclaimed with surprise. After that remove commas and inverted commas and write the conjunction that. Now this wow and what is to be removed. It is converted into it was. It was a, now we are going to insert this word very. It was a very beautiful flower. Full stop. Example number 4. Rohit said to her, comma, inverted comma, start, what a lazy girl you are. Exclamation mark, inverted commas close. Now Rohit exclaimed that. We can write this way also. You may write Rohit exclaimed with surprise that. Now you are gets converted into she was. You is the second person and it changes according to the object of the reported speech. Object here is her, that is a girl. So when we write her in the place of subject, it becomes she. She was a lazy girl, full stop. Next, he said, sorry, I cannot lend you my scooter, full stop, inverted commas closed. So if sorry word is there in the reported speech, then we write exclaimed with regret. He exclaimed with regret. Now remove commas and inverted commas. Write that. Now omit this word sorry because the sense is conveyed through exclaimed with regret. Now I becomes he. He can changes into could. He could not lend me his scooter. Full stop. Next example. The general said to the soldiers, comma, inverted comma, start, bravo, exclamation mark, you fought bravely, full stop, inverted commas, close. So now here the word bravo is there. In this we have to write applauded, saying that the general applauded his soldiers, saying that they had fought bravely. Now you is second person. It changes according to the object of reporting verb, his soldiers. So for soldiers, we will write the pronoun they. Now fought is second form of fight and second form of verb changes into had plus third form. That is had fought bravely. Sentence number 7. He said to me, comma, inverted comma, start, phew, exclamation mark, you have again failed in the examination. Full stop, inverted commas closed. Now how to change this? He exclaimed with contempt, contempt means hatred, that I had again failed in the examination. Sentence number 8. He said to me, comma, inverted comma, start, what a pity you did not attend my marriage. Full stop, inverted commas closed. So, he exclaimed that it was a great pity that I had not attended his marriage. Full stop. So, students, after having a look at these many examples, I hope the concept is clear to you. Now, please note, these are some typical type of sentences. In the indirect speech, we say wished good morning, wished good evening, wished good afternoon, but we say bade goodbye, bade farewell, bade good night, etc. Now let's see some examples here. He said to me, comma, inverted comma, start, good morning, exclamation mark, how do you do, question mark, inverted commas closed. So how to change this into indirect speech? He wished me good morning. Said to changes into wished, and now this is to be changed as per the rules of interrogative sentences. Asked how I did. Number 2, he said, comma, inverted comma, start, farewell my comrades, exclamation mark, inverted commas closed. So he bade farewell to his comrades. Now students, it's time for homework. Change the following sentences into indirect speech. Now here are 10 sentences applying the rules which we have just now studied. Please convert these sentences into indirect speech. And for knowing the answers, watch my upcoming video. Answers will be available in my next video. So, students, doing homework is a must. because then only you understand well the concepts. Once you do it on your own, only then the rules become clear and you remember it for a long time. Now students, here are the answers to lecture 5. So please match your answers. I hope you would have completed the exercise of lecture 5. Please pick up your notebook fast. Sit and see whether you have done it right or not. Students, thank you very much for watching this video. And once again, I request you to subscribe my channel if you are a new viewer. And if you like this video, please tap the thumbs up button and do comment. Thank you very much.